Sample areas can also be picked in the interactive facies classification along wellbores by specifying the well once loaded into the scene and going to the well icon in the sample areas tab, clicking on that, specifying the well and the pair of markers between which to define the sample area. The tool will then extract the seismic values along the trajectory of the wellbore between those two markers and use that as the basis for the actual data classification. It's then possible to adjust and tune the class in the same way as any other sample area by adjusting the acceptance level, the number of subfacies, and using the opacity to compare against the underlying seismic. Picking sample areas along wellbores also allows the advantage of being able to relate the geological to the geophysical and ground truth the interpreted facies classes. Enable a scatter plot in the usual fashion, but this time select volume versus log and compare seismic volumes versus well log curves for the scatter plot itself. In this example, we can now relate the gamma ray curve on the y-axis to the amplitude envelope on the x-axis and obtain a direct geophysical relationship between the two things for this class.